Okay, so I have cardstock for my sash, and this is layout number 5. And I'm going to use that black and white striped layer, which is 11.5 by 4.25 from Crepe Paper Carousel, called Rose Park. Has those roses on the opposite side. I'm changing my ATG. Those are from Tape Jungle. Love them. OMG, they now sell those ones. It specifically says for pink Scotch ATG, because before that little black piece, I had to have on the front to keep it on the spindle, but now it works just as good as if I bought the actual ATG tape from Michael's or Joann's. It's amazing. It's awesome. And I have enough rolls to last me 8 years. And then that heart washi tape is from the kit as well. And then I'm going to add another layer at the top. This kind of looks is just like a circle banner. And that one is 11.5 by 5.25 as well. And it is called Uplifting. And it has the heart washi on it as well. And then this is my niece Jada. She is 2. She'll be 3 in May. And she is at the park on the swing. Ooh, I need to give my dog a bath. She's missed. She hasn't had a bath in 2 weeks. Going to put sand in it. Yeah, so I'm going to try to get these voiceovers done and get them saved because I am on Christmas break. And so I got my first, I've been off for 3 days. We were off January. Oh, December 19th was our last day of school. So we've been off since December 20th was our first official full day off. And so that day I power washed. I could not believe how, I mean, I knew my sidewalks were dirty, but oh my word, they were so dirty. They look, I mean, they are white now. It's awesome. Anyway, so everything is from Maggie Holmes Carousel because that's pretty much what this kit is all about. The paper, the die cuts, the sticker sheets. The puffy stickers, chances are the puffy stickers are American Craft stickers that came in the kit. But those in the bottom right, those are Maggie Holmes. My photo mats, I use cardstock for my stash. I was looking, oh my gosh, I need to I'm going to work with Alex tomorrow and Monday because he's got to work Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So he bartends. So me and his son will go to hang out there with him. And his son will play his iPad and 3DS. And I usually will watch scrapbook videos or movies or whatever on my tablet. And I bring my laptop and I'll usually I do my lesson plans, but I do need to do our grades are due, and so we can go ahead and finalize those. So I need to do that because I have grades to do. I have to grade papers before I can enter some grades. But anyway, and this is going to be my title, and that is from Thickers as well. So anyway. Anyway, I think there was somewhere I was going with that, but I don't know. Okay, but anyway, so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.